on. And they're off. He's going to catch Vern.
Smooth.
Oh, somebody's getting open.
Oh, hey.
See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Eat my dust. Oh, he's going to catch him.
Oh, boy, got some move to him now.
Which one's he got?
He's an eyes of 10, baby. He's a 3-year-old.
Oh, Vern, better hang on. It's going to be on.
Like, I'm coming. Oh, come on, Brutus. Let's go.
It's going to be on like white on rice. Come on, Eddie. You can do it. Come on, open him up. Let him out. Okay. Oh, shoot. Where'd he go? Okay, I got to get him on the fence. Here, where's the fence at?
Oh, hey, man, you coming up?
This ought to be good. We're coming into vision now. I'm going to back it out and find Vern and Eddie. And in second place, we have Vern and Brutus.